let you know that. I'm gonna just...
Hey guys, what you doing?
We're watching a movie.
What's a movie?
It's a show on the screen.
I've never seen a movie.
Really?
You should get a scene card. It's only $10, plus you get free movies and added free popcorn.
Yeah, I've had a scene card for 2 years, and I've watched over 100 free movies, plus added popcorn.
Come sit.
Here, thank you. Wow, scene cards is the best thing ever.
Get a scene card today. With your scene card, you can watch free movies plus added popcorn. And if you call now, you can get a second scene card free!